Let's level up the pecan pie and let's do it with a cinnamon-infused Graham Cracker Crust. Start by combining the Graham Cracker crumbs with brown sugar and cinnamon, and then add in the melted butter. Stir it in with a spoon just until the butter has been absorbed by the crumbs, then transfer it to your pie plate. Press it down with the back of a measuring cup and use your fingers to press it along the sides and making sure that there's absolutely no cracks in the crust. To make the filling, whisk together the brown sugar and 3 eggs. Whisk until smooth and then add in the vanilla and the salt. Pour in your corn syrup and then whisk the mixture until nice and smooth. Pour in the melted butter and whisk until just combined. Then add in your roughly chopped pecans and fold them in until well combined. Pour the filling into the prepared crust, making sure that the pecans are well distributed in the pie, and then bake for an hour. I'm sure you'll absolutely love this pecan pie, so get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.